Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring wonders of United States of America like never before. Sure to hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Let's go. Best places to visit in the USA for 2025. From coastlines to big cities, the United States is made up of so many diverse destinations that it's hard to decide which places deserve the distinction of the best in America. That's why US News considered a variety of factors, such as attractions, accommodations, and dining options, as well as votes from thousands of travelers to determine the best places to visit in the USA. Cast your vote below to have a say in next year's list. And if you're looking for lodging, see the best hotels in the USA. Glacier National Park. Glaciers are the main draw of this Montana National Park, but its more than 700 lakes, 3 mountain ranges, and multiple waterfalls are equally impressive. Hiking is the most popular pastime for visitors, thanks to the park's mix of easy trails like Rocky Point and challenging routes, such as Grinnell Glacier and the Highline Trail. But you should also allot time for driving the spectacular Going to the Sun Road, which typically opens from late June through October. Additionally, the area is a prime spot for kayaking, canoeing, and fishing in summer, and cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in winter. Yellowstone National Park. America's first national park provides more than 900 miles of hiking trails, as well as plenty of attractions to excite nature lovers, from steaming geysers to bubbling hot springs. Animal fans will also appreciate visiting the Grizzly and Wolf Discovery Center to learn about local wildlife. If you'd rather look for wild critters inside the park, which occupies parts of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, spend a few hours driving through the Hayden and Lamar valleys. Both areas are considered popular havens for Yellowstone's resident bison, wolves, and grizzly bears. Maui. With idyllic beaches and verdant parks, Maui offers ample opportunities to relax. Here, you can admire the stunning scenery as you cruise along the road to Hana, fly above the Hawaiian island on a helicopter tour, or lounge across the black sands of Wayanapanapa State Park. If you'd rather cool off than sunbathe, sign up for a snorkeling tour. For an unforgettable experience, make a reservation to see the sunrise at Halakala National Park, home to Maui's highest peak. Sampling Maui seafood is also a must, but don't overlook other island delicacies like hapia, a creamy coconut custard. Grand Canyon National Park. A bucket list destination for many travelers, this Arizona park is a superb spot to hike, offering scenic paths like the Bright Angel and North Kaibab trails. The Colorado River weaves its way through the 277-mile-long canyon, which also makes it a perfect place for adventurous activities like whitewater rafting. But for a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience, view this impressive natural wonder on a helicopter tour. Yosemite National Park. A vacation at Yosemite National Park in California is all about reconnecting with nature. Spend your visit checking out world-famous landmarks like Half Dome and Glacier Point, or hiking Cathedral Lakes, the Mist Trail, and other popular paths. You'll also want to spend time admiring Yosemite's numerous waterfalls, including towering Yosemite Falls, which is one of the tallest waterfalls in the world, and Horsetail Fall, which has a golden firefall effect at certain points in the winter. For another awe-inspiring moment, head to Mariposa Grove to stand in the shadows of more than 500 giant sequoia trees. Honolulu. Oahu features a nice balance of urban and beach environments. And with pleasant weather year-round, there really is no wrong time to visit this Hawaiian paradise. Must-visit Waikiki Beach promises to please, but be forewarned, there's a good chance a barrage of tourists will greet you. For extra elbow room, head to more secluded options like Kailua Beach Park and Hanauma Bay State Park. Before leaving, carve out some time to visit Honolulu's naval sites like the Pearl Harbor National Memorial and the Battleship Missouri Memorial. Grand Teton National Park. In Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming's snow-capped Teton Mountains rub elbows with the Snake River, Jackson and Jenny Lakes, wildflower fields, swamps, and more. Trekking to vistas like Inspiration Point and Phelps Lake Overlook are common ways to take in the park's natural beauty. But if you're looking to exert less energy, explore the region by car or boat. Don't focus too much on the horizon though, as moose, elk, bears, and bison all call the park home and occasionally wander near visitors. Another plus for this park is its proximity to the rustic mountain town of Jackson Hole. Zion National Park. Breathtaking panoramas are available everywhere you turn in Utah's Zion National Park. For some of the best views, trek the Angel's Landing Trail, which is full of challenging switchbacks and thrilling heights. Note: permits are required to hike Angel's Landing and are awarded through an online lottery system. Apply several months in advance if you're planning to hike during peak season. Other popular options include the Easy Paris Trail and the more difficult Narrows, which takes hikers through the slimmest section of Zion Canyon and requires wading through waters that, depending on the time of year, can rise as high as your chest. Kauai. Nicknamed the Garden Island, Kauai relies on its immense natural beauty to stand out from other Hawaiian destinations. For example, the island limits the size of all of its buildings to no taller than a coconut palm, so locals and travelers can enjoy excellent views from its pristine beaches. Visitors will also discover lush areas like Koke State Park and Wailua River State Park when they venture inland, and the awe-inspiring Napali coast is perfect for a scenic drive. Kauai's distance from the mainland and abundance of high-end hotels make it a pricey destination to visit, so book your flights and accommodations early. Lake Tahoe. Known for its stunning clear water, North America's largest alpine lake beckons to active travelers year-round. Skiers and snowboarders arrive in droves during the winter to hit the slopes at Lake Tahoe's numerous resorts. Meanwhile, a summertime visit is ideal for hikes, peaceful drives, and lake activities like kayaking and boating. There are also many local golf courses for those looking to perfect their swing. For a vacation with a twist, trek one of the California and Nevada region's beer trails or book a hot air balloon tour to see this gorgeous setting from above. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos. And check out our other amazing content that showcases the beauty United States of America.